Hey y'all, it's Lamar Lene back with another video. Today's video is going to be a weekend in my life of me getting my life together. So I need to get my hair done. I need to clean my car out. I need to get an oil change. I was supposed to get a haircut, but I don't know how that's going to go because everybody that I be trying to find either it's open on the weekdays and closed like around 5 or 6, but I don't get off work until 5 and I work Monday through Friday. So I've been trying to find a way to do that, but welcome to my video. We about to get started. It's currently Saturday the 27th. Yo, I made it to the oil change place.
What oil y'all want to run with today?
She wants the basic oil change.
Okay, so since it is a 2017, the most bitch you can get with free.
Girl, Texas.
You can pack it.
That water look dirty.
It is. It looks dirty.
Is it okay if I open your door so I can check your tire?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you want me to slide the curb? Oh, no.
No, that's fine.
You said that do what?
Get my thumbnail pictures. Yo, this car done took all my money. Get my hair. I can't wait to get my hair braided.
You can tell you've been in here, oil and everything.
What you mean? This car, this was like this when I got the car.
Oh,
Look
what?
at them. After I just paid these people all this money, now I gotta come and put some gas in here. That's irritating. Yo, I'm blue, like overly blue. I'm not trying to go outside, so let me pay right here. Let me set y'all up. I didn't bring my tripod. Is it gonna stay? Oh shit. Okay, never mind. It's not gonna stay because I didn't bring my car tripod. I'm talking about my car tripod, my tripod. Yo, I'm irritated. This life is life. At least my car is okay. Oh. My battery about to die already. I might as well just feel it. Oh, this weird. Why they handle it? They handle. Look like that.
Working out is tough. You're not alone. Not when you've got brain tool body fuel. 300 milligrams caffeine, 0 sugar, and BCAA.
Yo, my camera be acting stupid, but I'm irritated. I spent so much money already. Like, I'm blue. I'm overly blue, but it's okay. It's just money. I get it back. At least my car is good. I got an oil change. I got a new air filter. I got full tank of gas almost. I'm about to get my hair done. This vlog is me getting my life together, so hey, it is what it is. But we at $17 right now. My estimated guess is it's gonna take probably like $35, $36. We gonna see. Hopefully this lasts me Monday through Friday when I gotta go to work, back and forth every day. Y'all, it's weird, but I love the way gas smell. Like, I don't know, just something about the smell. Oh my goodness, it stopped at 29. Y'all, it stopped at 29. I was way off. I'm talking about 35, 36. It stopped at, well, I made it go to 30, but it clicked at 29. I'm irritated. Let me stop saying that. Thank God. I'm grateful. Thank God that I can do that and spend money to get my stuff together. So let me not say I'm irritated. I'm happy. I'm blessed. I gotta watch what I say because I say I'm irritated a lot, like a lot. So I really do need to start watching what I say. And it was nice. They gave us an ice cold bottle of water. Like, I'm talking about cold. Y'all, we about to go pay my sister phone bill, go to the beauty spot, then go back to the house. My hair appointment is 9 to 5 o'clock. Oh, I need to ask her how many packs of hair I need. Let me call her right now. You got a pack of hair at the house, so I'll probably need just to get 3 more packs. 4 packs of hair, 3 come in the pack. So that should be good. I don't know, that's out there. Y'all, I'm getting over. Wait, where is the beauty spot? Oh, I'm getting over a cold, so it's irritating. I keep coughing. I made it to the beauty spot. She's talking about I only need 2 packs of hair. So I'm really gonna have 3 in total because I already got one at home. Oh, and it's right here. I'm really debating if I want some color or not. Like, do I want color? Yo, should I get color? Like, I don't know. Usually I'll get like a brown or a blondish color like this. I had this color before. And I think I had this before. No, it was, wait, oh, it was this. Because this looked darker, I think. Or is this the same? Oh, it's the same, yeah. I used to get this. Like a color that's like that. I don't know if I want that or not. Or should I just go all black? Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go black. Okay, I need a 1B. No, I need a 1B. Oh, here we go, right in my face. Okay, I'm not gonna do no color this time, yo. I'm just gonna go jet black. I'm talking about jet black, 1B. Ain't that jet black? I think that is jet black. But I want some color. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just get this. Next time I'm gonna get color. So I ain't even about to.
You gonna see?
No, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so tired of spending money, but it is what it is. Like, it's cool. But I went to the beauty supply while she went to the phone store, so I'm probably gonna go to the phone store now because I doubt that she out already. Cause yeah, but I gotta go home, wash my hair, and blow dry it. I'm not gonna vacuum my hair. I mean, I'm not gonna vacuum my hair. I'm not gonna vacuum out my car until tomorrow when I go home. So I really get everything done today. Then tomorrow I just clean my car out and stuff. Just do what I need, the rest of what I need to do. Now I gotta follow. I was about to say, now I gotta follow her. But I think this is the store right here. I got my hair, so packing the hair secure. This is it. Smell it really good. Alright, y'all, we made it back. It's hours later. I done came here, took a nap and everything. Now I'm gonna wash my hair. Maybe I should have moved these dishes, put them up or something, but I don't feel like that.
Don't run from him and jump on that man. Give him his toy.
What's that?
I just got him to sit back down. Then I got to begin to go to the money and I put my money to get up again.
So much acetone stuff in my hair. Well, it smells good. Ooh. They gonna say they don't want their hair done. No water?
One of my packs, I ain't got no water.
What? I know.
What?
Telling you.
What?
Hey y'all, it's 1:56 and I'm letting this conditioner sit in my hair for a minute. So while it's sitting here, I'm gonna clean up the bathroom and I'm gonna wash it out. Then y'all can watch me blow dry it out, which is the hard part. But like, it is what it is. I look crazy. Yeah. Like, why did I look a hot mess. Or whatever. Or I'm about to clean up. Well, y'all, this is the end of my wash and blow dry process. Now I gotta wait 2.5 hours to get my hair done, but it's blow dried out, so that's cool. Y'all, my hair is so thick, it don't make no sense. Like, yeah, this not gonna work. Y'all, hours later, we finally done with my hair. She ate. I didn't have faith in her at first, but she ate. Period. Let me set y'all up so I can do a 360. Maybe I should put y'all in here. Shake that booty. Okay, y'all, I'm going to sleep. It's 8:57 and I'm so tired. She did my hair kind of fast, but it like kind of took too long a little bit. I don't know. It felt fast, but it seemed like it took forever. So, but I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see y'all tomorrow. How am I going to ride? Oh, this one? Yeah. Okay, y'all. I made it to the car wash. It's 12:56. I got a car full of motherfuckers, but we about to do this real quick so we can hurry up and get to where we need to be, which is home, so I can wash my clothes and stuff. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, my car is junky, so don't judge me, but this is the before. It's not that bad over here. What? Do that thing. But yeah, we about to get this show on the road. Y'all, why this whole time my sister wasn't even recording? I'm irritated. feel like going over there to wet this over there.
What is? Oh. As long as it's got hit by somebody, I don't know. Oh, now you stuck forever.
That was better, don't it? Yeah. Let me spray this. This was just. This shit ain't coming on. Alright. What it look like. Don't this is slot from the wintertime, so I promise it's clean in here, but it looks so much better than what it did before. It looks so much better. Like so much better. Alright.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke no empty so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting, yeah.
Okay, y'all, this is my outfits for the week. So I got Monday through Thursday set out, and I will pick Friday outfit on Thursday. But thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And stay tuned for more videos, and I will see y'all in my next video.